You need to hear this if you're a music teacher looking to inspire your students. TrackFormers is not just another music curriculum, it's a game changer. Imagine your students diving into the world of DJing, learning essential musical concepts while having a blast. With 6 comprehensive sessions, TrackFormers covers everything from the history of DJing to hands-on skills like beat matching, mixing and sampling. It's designed for all skill levels, making it perfect whether your students are beginners or budding DJs. Over 25 professionally mastered, school-appropriate tracks keep lessons engaging and relevant, and with detailed instructional videos, you'll have all the support you need, from setting up hardware and software to guiding students through performance tasks. TrackFormers transforms music education, turning your classroom into an interactive exploration of modern music production. Build confidence, spark creativity, and watch your students shine. Don't miss out on this innovative tool to revolutionize your teaching. Dive into the TrackFormers DJ Suite today and let's make some noise in music education.